Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Now let's discuss a useful tool. Want to ensure your family is drinking clean, great-tasting water? Our certified water filters are designed to reduce up to 99% of contaminants, providing you with refreshing, pure water straight from your Frigidaire appliance. Installation is simple. Just slide the new filter in with the grip oriented horizontally, push firmly, and turn 90 degrees to the right until it clicks into place. Our filters are rigorously tested and certified by NSF International against NSF ANSI standards 42, 53, and 401 in PureSource Ultra 2U and PureSource Ultra 2M, guaranteeing their effectiveness in reducing a wide range of impurities. To ensure you're getting a genuine Frigidaire filter, look for our refreshed packaging, featuring a distinctive berry-colored design and a new Genuine Filters seal. During our transition, you might still see some blue packaging, but rest assured that both are authentic. These filters are designed to fit select Frigidaire ranges, wall ovens, and wall oven microwave combinations. With a volume of 0.25 cubic feet, they provide a powerful filtration solution for your home. Looking to make reversing safer and easier? Our rear-view camera system boasts a crystal-clear 4.3-inch LCD display and a camera with an upgraded CMOS chip, delivering a sharp, stable image with true-to-life colors. Setting up is a breeze. The camera and monitor connect directly with a 26-foot cable, powered by a simple car charger or your reverse lights, depending on your preference. The 360-degree rotating suction cup mount allows flexible placement on your dashboard or windshield. The license plate camera features 8 bright LED lights and a 6-layer glass lens, ensuring clear color images even in low light conditions. With a 149 degrees viewing angle and 45 degrees vertical adjustment, the camera minimizes blind spots and accurately shows the area behind your vehicle, making parking simpler and safer. Customize your view with adjustable parking lines and a mirroring function for front or rear installation. You can even fine-tune the guidelines to match your vehicle or turn them off entirely. The IP69K waterproof rating, achieved through high-purity resin construction, means the camera can withstand harsh weather and challenging conditions. Need a versatile and reliable jack for all your lifting needs? The Power-built 3,000-pound triple-lift garage jack is the perfect all-in-one solution. With a 1.5-ton capacity, this heavy-duty jack is designed to handle everything from cars and trucks to motorcycles, ATVs, and even transmissions. Its unique design allows for a wide lifting range, from a low profile of just 4 3/4 inches to a maximum height of 17 inches, making it compatible with virtually any vehicle. The wide wheelbase provides exceptional stability, far surpassing that of standard floor jacks. For added safety and peace of mind, the included safety bar easily slides into place, securely locking the jack in the raised position. Rest assured, this jack has been rigorously tested and certified to meet or exceed both ASME and PALD standards, guaranteeing its quality and performance. Click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Need to upgrade your truck or SUV's braking performance, especially for towing or hauling? The PowerStop Z36 truck and tow brake kit is the perfect solution. Designed for vehicles like the 2007-2009 Aspen Durango and 2006-2022 Ram 1500, this kit provides significantly improved stopping power and durability compared to stock brakes. This complete front and rear kit includes drilled and slotted rotors for enhanced cooling and debris removal, along with carbon fiber ceramic brake pads for superior stopping power and reduced brake fade. Whether you're navigating steep mountain roads, hauling heavy loads, or simply want more confident braking, the Z36 kit delivers. Each component in this kit is engineered to work seamlessly together, maximizing braking performance and extending the life of your braking system compared to standard OE replacements. So, if you're looking for a reliable and powerful brake upgrade for your truck or SUV, the PowerStop Z36 kit is an excellent choice. Need a safe and reliable way to load your equipment? Our folding aluminum loading ramp is the perfect solution. Designed for pickup trucks or steps under 25.6 inches in height, this lightweight yet robust ramp supports up to 750 pounds. While the high-toughness aluminum alloy might exhibit slight sinking under load, rest assured it won't deform. What sets our ramp apart? The unique striped surface design significantly enhances traction, providing a much safer loading experience than typical smooth surface ramps. We've also reinforced the hinges with thicker welds for superior durability, ensuring it can withstand countless folds and unfolds. Rubber-wrapped head fingers protect your vehicle from scratches and prevent slippage, and a heavy-duty loading strap secures the ramp to your truck for safe loading and unloading. No assembly is required, simply unfold and use. The ramp unfolds to 87.6 x 11 inch by 2 inch and folds compactly to 44.3 inch by 11.8 inch by 5.5 inch for easy storage and transport using the comfortable webbing handle. With an 11-inch width, it's ideal for vehicles with tire widths under 10 inch. Available in single or double ramp configurations to suit your needs, and backed by a 1-year warranty against non-artificial damage, you can load with confidence. Imagine being stranded on the roadside at night. Having a reliable emergency signal could make all the difference. That's why our LED road flares are an essential safety kit for cars, trucks, boats, motorcycles, and any other vehicle. These aren't your average flares. Each light boasts 9 different flashing modes, providing various SOS rescue signals for both marine and roadside emergencies. What sets these flares apart? They're rechargeable. No more worrying about dead batteries. Each flare has a built-in 650 mAh lithium battery and comes with a USB charging cable. A red indicator light shows charging status, turning green when fully charged. Impressively, they can hold a charge for over a year. Durability is key in emergency situations. These flares are built to last. With a waterproof coating and a super strong PC and ABS plastic construction that can withstand being run over by a 30-ton vehicle. Powerful neodymium magnets allow you to attach them to your vehicle's metal surfaces, and a folding hook and built-in flashlight provide hands-free convenience for tasks like changing a tire. Want to see more innovative car upgrades? Click the link below to subscribe to our channel and stay up to date on our latest products. Imagine every sip of your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate being as perfectly warm as the first. Our coffee warmer delivers unmatched heating efficiency, boasting the fastest heating speed and highest temperature capabilities on the market, guaranteeing a consistently satisfying experience. Take complete control of your beverage's temperature with 4 precise settings: 130 degrees, 145, 167 degrees, and a piping hot 185 degrees Fahrenheit. No more worrying about accidentally leaving your warmer on. The convenient timer shutdown function lets you set it for anywhere between 1 and 12 hours, allowing you to enjoy your drink worry-free while conserving energy. Designed with a large heating surface, our warmer accommodates a wide variety of cup sizes and materials, from glass and stainless steel to ceramic and even milk cartons. For optimal results, we recommend using flat or thin-bottomed mugs. As a bonus, we've included a stylish coaster to complete your coffee setup. This elegant touch not only enhances your coffee experience, but also keeps your space neat and tidy. Want a professional car wash at home without the hassle of scrubbing? The Ontel Car Wash Cannon is the answer. This innovative system uses revolutionary foam blasting technology to make washing your car quick, easy, and fun. Just attach it to your garden hose and get ready to blast away dirt and grime. This specially designed foam gun features 5 adjustable spray settings, eliminating the need for sponges, brushes, or mitts. Simply spray a thick blanket of cleansing foam, then switch to the rinse setting to wash away the soap and reveal a sparkling clean car. The car wash cannon works by infusing massive amounts of air into the soap and water, creating a thick, luxurious foam just like the pros use. This air-charged foam lifts dirt and dust from every surface from the windshield to the body and rinses away cleanly, leaving no film or residue behind. Perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, ATVs, and more. The Car Wash Cannon makes car washing a breeze. Want to see more innovative products to upgrade your ride? Click the link below and subscribe to our channel. Power up on the go with our versatile 2-in-1 car power outlet. This handy device seamlessly converts your car's DC power to AC, giving you 2 standard AC outlets and 4 USB charging ports for simultaneous multi-device charging. The 4 USB ports operate continuously without needing to toggle any switches. Quick charge technology significantly reduces charging times, potentially refilling compatible batteries in approximately 1 hour. Beyond the 210-volt AC outlets and 4 USB ports, a built-in smart chip provides comprehensive safety. This intelligent system offers 100% protection against overheating, over-voltage, short circuits, and overcharging. A robust 15-aught fuse further safeguards both the adapter and your connected devices. A smart cooling fan ensures quiet operation under normal conditions, intelligently increasing its speed only when needed to manage higher temperatures. We are committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer support. Get your 200-watt AC converter with confidence. Want a showroom shine without the hassle of a traditional car wash? The Flowgenix Grand Finale Detail Spray Car Care Kit is your answer. Grand Finale's proprietary lab-engineered wax and ceramic detail spray creates an instant mirror-like shine and a deep ceramic coating that lasts up to 6 months on any car or motorcycle, old or new. This instant ceramic coating forms a powerful shield, protecting your vehicle from scratches, streaks, and other damage. Our Ceramatec waterless wash spray is engineered to be 20x stronger than leading waxes and sealants. Using advanced nanotechnology, Grand Finale instantly bonds to any surface, creating a barrier against the elements. This innovative formula makes washing and waxing easier than ever. Looking for a cost-effective quick detailer? This waterless wash and wax is the answer. Just spray and wipe. Skip those expensive and time-consuming car washes and keep your ride looking its best with minimal effort. Give your car's interior a stylish upgrade with our premium seat covers. Crafted from high-quality leather and featuring 3D foam back support, these covers add a touch of luxury and modern flair to any vehicle. Unlike generic universal covers, our semi-custom design offers a superior fit for most vehicles. We've incorporated hook and loop attachments, bottom seat straps, and other thoughtful details to create a snug, almost custom look. Safety is paramount, which is why our front seat covers are designed with special side stitching to allow for unimpeded airbag deployment. This has been officially tested, ensuring these covers are a reliable protector for your car's seats and your safety. Experience enhanced driving comfort with the added support these covers provide. They help alleviate fatigue on long journeys, making every drive more enjoyable. Plus, they offer complete front and back seat protection, so you can relax knowing your seats are safe from wear and tear, even from energetic kids in the back.